I know you guys already know by seeing the title of the video, but just got something in the mail. Just got done filming an interior detail video as well. Go check that out if you haven't. It's already up. I'll leave it linked somewhere. But we are going to change out our fog lights, and I want to show you guys how to get that done. There is the old gross one. There's the new shiny one. We're gonna jump down here. I've already started. I wanted to make sure everything fit great and I could do this and give you guys a great video, show you how to do it yourself, DIY your way on replacing your fog lights. And check that out. Okay, awesome guys. So first thing you're gonna need is your 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. That's really all you need. Some pry tools and a flathead screwdriver might help to get the plug undone. So that's what you're gonna need, as well as the product. But first thing we're gonna do is, this is going to go for the passenger side. We're gonna do the passenger side now. We're gonna go ahead and turn our wheel the other way. So you see how we did the driver's side and we turned our wheel driver's side? Now what we're gonna do is turn our wheel to the passenger side. We're gonna crank it all the way over passenger side. This is gonna help you get down there. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we went ahead and turned our steering wheel all the way to the passenger side as far as we could. So taking a look, that's gonna allow us to get back in there. So first thing we need to take off, there's actually 2 bolt screws located, one down here, right there, if you still have it, and then one right in this hole, right up in here. You can get it off, you can get both of these off with a Phillips head screwdriver or your 10mm socket. And this is gonna help us pull this bumper back, as well as the plastic that's hiding our fog light right here, back as well. So let's go ahead and take those off. So got this guy right here. And I was missing the one on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our bumper and pry it back and pry this piece of plastic back kind of behind your axle or your tire there. And that gets us to our fog lights right there. Awesome. Okay. And it's okay if that piece comes off right there under your headlight. Just be careful with the clip, pull that out. And what you'll be able to do if you have 2 hands is basically pry this back with a little bit of pressure and get those, get those screws that are keeping the fog lights on. I'm going to set you guys up so you have a better look and get those screws off. We'll go from there. I'm going to get you guys right there. You see those 2 screws? So I have a 2014 2nd gen Tacoma, and all it has is 2 screws. You see those 2 holes right there? Those don't have screws. I only have 2 screws holding this thing in, But yeah, I only have 2 screws holding this in and then the plug. So what we're gonna do is take our screwdriver, get those screws undone, unplug it, and pull the fog light out. So set you guys down. We're gonna pull this back with our other hand. Pull it back. I'm not using a lot of pressure. Pull it back. This is gonna allow me to reach in here, use my screwdriver, and just unscrew those 2 screws. This is how to get it done. And yes, I am just letting it dangle there by the plug. That is my bad. I have to hurry and grab my screwdriver to get that plug. There's so much dirt and grime keeping that thing on there. Holy crap. Okay, there we go. It's seriously that easy. There we go. So it's honestly that easy, getting those 2 screws undone and then unplugging it, and boom, we got our old dusty fog light out of there. Let's go ahead and put the new one in, give you guys a cool look of what it looks like now, and then go from there. Okay, so just showing you guys here, I got the screw started. I don't have it lined it up. What I found is if you do 1 screw and then line everything up with your plug in the outside of your truck with your fog light, and then screw in that screw finally, it lines it up perfectly and looks great. So it's really hard to give you guys a good angle, but that's what it's going to look like when you're putting it in. You're putting in that screw in the hole and that screw in the hole. It's literally that easy. And then we're going to plug in the plug, zip tie it all together, make it look nice, and go from there. So yeah, it's that easy, guys. This is so awesome. This has been one of the easiest installs and so fun. And just like that, guys, once you got it all screwed in, put your screws back together that you took out, put your body panels back together the way they were. Go. Check that out. Not only does this bring functionality when I'm off-roading, but it's also a pretty cool look. I mean, if we step back and look at that, that looks awesome. And with them powered on, slick, that looks so good. I'm super excited about this product. Again, I'm not sponsored or anything by them. I bought them on Amazon, link down in the description below. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.